Hello and welcome back to my channel. As you can hopefully tell by my hair, I was trying to look like Ariana Grande, but ended up looking more like a Shih Tzu. Just super excited because it's New Year's Eve tomorrow, and that means it's like a new start of something new. I'm just very excited for 2019. I'm a true believer that if you want to do something, just start tomorrow. You don't need to wait for a new year. But the new year is like a perfect opportunity to do that, and it like encourages you to make resolutions, to make a massive change in your life. I'm just very, very excited because I have a lot of ambitions that I would like to achieve in 2019. Let's stop rambling. This is the makeup look. It's very dark and very smoky, and I think it's perfect for New Year's Eve. If you would like to know how to achieve that makeup, just keep on watching. Because I'm going to be working with black, I'm going to do my eyes first and then my foundation. I'm also going to be using sellotape to help me achieve a winged out effect. Now I have High School Musical in my head. Great. They look kind of even to me. On this channel, we're not bothered by unevenness. For my eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, the big one, because it has all the shades that I need. I'm going to take a super fluffy brush, dip my brush into Pukey and a little bit of butter. So I'm just very messily going to apply this in my crease, starting from my tape to the very inner corner. I want this shade to be the closest to my brow bone, so I'll make sure it's blended in. 203 from Bold Metal's Real Techniques, and I'm going to take Mocha, and then again from the tape into the crease, almost all the way in. Just stop right there, and then I'm just blending it to the previous shade. I'm taking my super fluffy brush and then blending this in as well using that brush. Now a trick that I got from Desi Perkins a long time ago. I'm going to take Inglot Black Liner, which is the number 77. I'm taking a big flat brush, some of that black gel liner. Shut up, whoever is outside. And I'm using that to put on my lid just shy of the crease. So on the mobile lid, but not entirely in the inner corner, not entirely up to the crease. Tiny little bit less than that. But I'm definitely just putting it on the outer corner. That's why I've got that tape there, so I can really use it. There we go. Now I'm going to take shading brush from Real Techniques. I'm going to take a base, which is the black in the palette, go over it with the black to help it and make it super black. Make sure you tap off the excess. The black will most likely have fallout regardless of what it is, and I'm putting that black in the crease, starting to diffuse that black and blend it with Mocha. Be patient with it. I'm taking a pencil brush and dipping into a base. This is just slightly bit more pointy than the shading brush from Real Techniques. Can now decide how far out I want my black. Another fluffy brush, and using that to just blend the very edge of that black, so I don't have any shadow on here. I'm just using it to blend out the black. And because we have that mocha and pukey and all of those warm tones, this should blend in. I'm actually going to take 203 and a little bit of mocha just to add on top of this black again. By the way, everyone's in the house, so you can hear voices. I do apologise, but I can't make them not talk to each other. I've got that pencil brush with my black and I'm just blending with this brush again. I'm taking Bold Metals 200. This is clean and I'm just kind of swiping it on top of the inner corner, trying to get rid of excess amount of black, just like that. I need to take off my tape because I can visualize what the makeup is going to look like, and after that I need to clean my inner corner again just to give me a better idea of what the final look is going to look like. Okay, I'm going to do my other eye off of camera and I will be right back to carry it on. I don't know if it's not my day or something, but I cannot get this eye looking good, so I'm just going to move on. And maybe when I have everything else, I will be happy with this eye. I'm going to add Bramble highlight, and for that I'm going to use Beam from the Jaclyn Hill palette. Maybe this will kind of just tie everything together, I guess. I mean, I'm kind of happy with it. I keep thinking this isn't warm enough, so I'm just adding a tiny bit of pukey above all of this black. See what I mean? That looks so much better already. I think I might even foil Beam just to be like in your face. Oh, and I just sprayed my mirror. Ugh. Already makes me feel a little bit better. The ugly eye, ugh. Just going to talk to people like this so you can see this eye, you know? Okay, I'm going to move on for now. Today I want to apply Jouer Essential High Coverage Cream Foundation because this used to be my like holy grail, but since I've been using the Murad blemish treatment thing and I don't have as much acne, I don't go full coverage, and this is full coverage. So I kind of want to check if I still like this. One pump, because this is like more than enough. Expert face brush. Let's do it. By the way, I did clean my under eye. Make sure you do that too. You don't want to be spreading that black everywhere. Like the coverage on this, amazing, actually amazing. Yeah, I think I still like it. I look like a zombie now. That looks nice, matte, full coverage, without looking heavy. Let's conceal the eyes. And I've got a tiny bit of lash stuck on my concealer. Photo focus from Wet n Wild. I want to conceal this area especially. The only thing I don't like about this concealer that it doesn't actually, the doe foot doesn't allow me to put on a lot, which I guess is good, but not good for me because I like a lot of concealer. Kind of same principle as it is with the foundation. Try and not like spread the black anywhere other than where it is, but it is a nice concealer. I do like it. I do need to set my under eye a little bit, so I'm taking my trusty RCMA no colour powder. I did ruin my outer corner here with my foundation. Just need to quickly fix this. I need to finish my eyes because I just can't look at myself. I'm taking that flat brush and the black gel liner again. I'm going to use this to put the black gel liner on my waterline. I'm putting it on my bottom waterline as well. Don't have to be too neat with it because I need to smoke out the lower lash line as well. I'm going to take the shading brush and the black called Abyss. I'm going to start smoking out my lower lash line. I think this brush might be too big, even for my eyes. I'm saying that as if I have like really large eyes. I'm going to change a brush. I'm taking a small pencil brush. Got some shadow in my eye. And I don't think I want that harshness of that line. So I'm taking the black, kind of joining the two. Making sure everything is blended. I'm going to take a fluffy brush and Pukey. I just need to add that on the very edge of that black to bring back the warmth. This slightly looks like a hot mess, but again, I'm not giving up. Oh no. See what I mean? Once you have black somewhere, I've tried to fix my inner corners and I had a little bit of black on my sponge. Seriously? No, honestly. You need to be super careful, guys. My eyes look so different, but I'm just going to do that. Okay, and now to brighten this look a little bit so it doesn't look as grungy. Because I'm wearing pink and I just love pink, I'm going to take my Inglot pigment in 115. I'm going to wet my brush. It's like a pinky duochrome goodness. I mean, that on its own is just so stunning. I think I might have to just add it there as well. I might even use this pigment to highlight my face. So I'm going to take it on my Cupid's bow. That looks so good. Yeah. I will highlight my face with it, my cheekbones, but I'll do that after my bronzer and everything. I'm going to add L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. For my lashes today, I'm going to be using Princess Pie from Honey Cosmetics, and I'm sticking them from underneath, of course. Sorry about the change in lighting, but it's getting dark outside and I need to finish this look. I need to contour and bronze my face because I look like a ghost with such dark eyes and pale face. To bronze / contour, I'm taking my Inglot contour pan in 508. Now I'm going to take a little bit of contour pan from Makeup Geek in Breakup. This is slightly, there's more pigment to it and it's a little bit darker. I just really want to be bronzed, you know? I want to be contoured. This is really the time of year where you can literally be extra. So I'm going to be extra. Yeah, see, I hated this eye and now I like it more than this. For my highlight, I still don't know whether I want to use Amrezy or that Inglot thing. I think I'm going to start with Amrezy, right? And then I can just add a tiny little bit of focus of that pink. Like, this is pigmented. Ugh. I do like Amrezy. but it really reminds me of Kiko. And when I swatch them side by side, they are pretty much identical. And yes, I am crazy. I'm taking that pigment from Inglot on Inglot 4SS. I need to foil it because it will just fluff up everywhere if I don't. My God, I am in heaven. Like, if this is not extra, I don't know what else you could add to make it more extra. I'm a sucker for a nude, so I recently bought a Flesh Pot from MAC, and that's what I'm going to wear today. It's almost identical to Myth, but it's a bit more pinky. Is that it? Am I done now? Or is there more? I didn't like that lighting, so for my final goodbyes and whatnot, I've got just the natural lighting. This is my final look. It's a staple for me. A very dark smoky eye and nude lips. I love that. I hope you have enjoyed that. Enjoy the New Year's Eve and then the New Year. I hope 2019 will bring you loads of joy, loads of money, anything you want in the world. For now, I hope you have enjoyed that. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.